Good morning, friends. My name is Dr. Parameshwar, working as a assistant professor Chaitanya Deemed Yoga University, Hanmakonda, Telangana. Today, I will study about this horticulture definition and divisions of the horticulture. This is a very important topic in examination, final examination point of view. Why? Because this question may definitely appear in the final examination, like definition of the, what is the definition of the horticulture, what is the divisions of the horticulture. Friends, I will provide all these PPT and notes through the one Telegram group. Please join in that group and get all the materials from that group. The Telegram group link provided in this video. Please find it and don't skip my video. Why? Because I will tell the important points in competitive examination point of view. Let's start our video. First one, what is the horticulture? What is the horticulture or definition of the horticulture? The horticulture is a science deals with the production, utilization and improvement of the fruits, vegetables, ornamental plants, spices and condiments, medicinal, aromatic and plantation crops, and also deals with the protective cultivation and value added production. First of all, what is the horticulture? What is the definition of the horticulture? Means horticulture is the branches of the science. It deals with the production and utilization and improvement of the fruits, different fruits, vegetables, ornamental plants, spices, condiments, medicinal, aromatic plants and plantation crops, and also deals with the protective cultivation. Protective cultivation means the cultivation of the crops under the protected structures like shade net, greenhouse, polyhouse, like that. And also the horticulture deals with the value added products like jam, jelly, ketchup, sauce preparation also. This is all about the horticulture definition. Next one is the what are the divisions in horticulture? In horticulture, divisions, total horticulture divided into 10 divisions. First one is the pomology. Pomology means pomology deals with the cultivation of the fruit crops like mango, sapota, guava, citrus, grape, banana, etc. In this branch, we will learn about the or study about the cultivation of the fruit crops from the soil. What are the soil requirement for the fruits and climate requirement? What are the main important varieties, propagation methods, and also intercultural operations, and also harvesting of the fruits. All these things learn in the knowing about the under this pomology, that is cultivation of the fruit crops. Next one is the second division is the olericulture. This is second division is the olericulture. Olericulture means study or cultivation of the vegetables. For example, brinjal, okra, tomato and pumpkin. In this branch, we will study about the cultivation of the vegetables. Next one is the floriculture. That is the third branch, third division. That is the floriculture. In this floriculture means study of the or cultivation of the flower crops. In this, we will learn about the cultivation process or production technology of the rose, jasmine, carnation, asters and marigold, etc. Next one is the fourth division is the arboriculture. This branch deals with the raising of the perennial trees meant for the shade, avenue or ornamental purpose. This is the very important horticulture division, that is the deals with the shade and avenue plantation. Avenue plantation means roadside plantation. The perennial trees, which perennial trees are the gives the shade and shade to the human being, or it will also deals with the avenue plantation, roadside plantation and ornamental purpose also. These perennial plants mainly Polyalthia, Spathodium, Cassia and Gulmohar, etc. This is all about the arboriculture. This is the fourth division in the horticulture. Next one is the fifth one, that is the plantation crops. Plantation crops means cultivation of the tea, coffee, coconut, areca nut, rubber, oil palm, etc. Next one is the sixth one is the spices and condiments. This branch deals with the cultivation of the crops which are the mainly used for the flavoring of the dishes. In this branch we will study about the crops which are the providing flavoring to our dishes, mainly in spices, pepper, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, allspice comes under spices, and condiments, turmeric, ginger, red chilli, onion, garlic, etc. comes under condiments. Total these spices and condiments studied under the spice and condiments one division. Next one is the seventh division is the medicinal and aromatic plants. It deals with the cultivation of the medicinal plants which provides the drugs, and aromatic crops which provides the essential oil. In this division we will study about the medicinal plants which are the providing drugs, and also aromatic crops like aromatic crops it will provide the essential oils. For example, in medicinal plants, sarpagandha, ashwagandha, tulasi, etc. comes under medicinal plants, and aromatic plants mainly lemongrass, citronella, palmarosa, vetiver, geranium, and davanam, lavender comes under this aromatic plants. This is all about the medicinal and aromatic plants. This is the seventh division in the horticulture. Next one is the eighth division, that is the fruit technology. Fruit technology, it deals with the processing and preservation of the produce of the horticultural crops. For example, jam, jelly, ketchup, sauce, RTS, etc. In this technology we will study about the processing and preservation products like jam, jelly, ketchup, how to produce the what are the measures utilized for the processing of the making of the jam, jelly, ketchup, sauce, and also what are the storage conditions required for the all these processed products learn or studied under this fruit technology division. Ninth one is the landscaping gardening. It deals with the planning and execution of the ornamental garden, parks, landscape gardening, etc. In this branch or division we will study about the what are the plans executed in the establishment of parks, and what are the elements used in the parks, what are the rules and regulations of the establishment of gardens. All these things studied under this landscaping and gardening. 10th one is the nursery and seed production. It deals with the production of the seeds and the planting material of the horticultural crops on commercial basis. In this branch we will study about the production of the seeds, and also nursery maintenance, how to make the nursery, what types of nursery, what are the rules and regulations practiced in the nursery, also studied under this branch, that is nursery and seed production. And also planting material likes rootstocks, layers, grafts, and also budded and grafted plants are the grafted plants studied under this planting material. This is the 10th one, 10th, that is the nursery and seed production. This is the all about the definition of the horticulture and divisions of the horticulture. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind.